Okay, today's recipe is a delicious pasta which I made with sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds, both healthy fats. The pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc, and sunflower seeds have various amount of omegas and nutrients. So this is a very hearty recipe. So let's start right away. Here I've already done my gluten-free pasta, and here is some chopped garlic, and I'm going to show you how much I've taken. So this is nutmeg and lemon, some sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds that I've already soaked in, and tomatoes, onions I've chopped, and organic baby arugula. And here is my creamy pesto, which I have just blended with water, sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds soaked overnight. So on a medium low, we're going to saute some garlic. Make sure the garlic is sauteed really well for good 7-8 minutes until it's brown. Okay, that's the key to this recipe. So make sure your garlic browns and the aroma comes out full force, and then you add the tomatoes and the onions. Okay, and keep sauteing your onions and tomatoes on medium high. We want to make sure that the tomato juice comes out and the onions, and they're a little bit soft, and then we're going to add the remaining ingredients. Okay, so garlic should be browned, and then you add tomatoes and an onion, and after a few minutes your tomatoes and onion will look like this. So they'll be very juicy, and then make sure when they're soft we add the mushrooms. Okay, these looks like a lot of mushrooms, but they're going to wilt down, like they're going to soften, so it won't be that much. Okay, and mushrooms are one of the best anti-cancer foods, so eat them a lot. Sea salt I'm adding according to the quantity of my recipe, so I'm adding about 2 tablespoons. Some black pepper, about 1.5 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons. And some thyme. Look in the description box for the full ingredient list and the quantity. Some cayenne pepper and some oregano. Here I have full whole nutmeg, and I'm just going to make it into powder. So I'm going to use half of this nutmeg for adding right now and half later on. Okay, so if you're doing just, you have a nutmeg powder, just add about say about half a teaspoon right now, and then half a teaspoon we add later. So 1 teaspoon total just for this recipe. Okay, just mix in, keep watch, you don't want to burn anything, and at this point you're going to make it medium low so that way they can saute really well. We're going to keep mixing the spices and the mushrooms and saute them for good about 8-9 minutes, and mushrooms are almost soft. Okay, and now here is the delicious creamy pesto, sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds pesto, and just add it. Don't think it's so much, because pesto is the center of this recipe and I'm making a lot, so you can make half of it. Okay, or you can keep half for later another recipe, but it won't be much, trust me, because we're gonna cook it for some time. It's going to become less, and then we're going to add the pasta and the spinach. You can see on the corner I have already made my pasta, and I've added frozen spinach 16 ounce to the pasta. So when the pasta is hot, it wilted the spinach, but we didn't cook the spinach. Okay, so now keep on cooking on low. Well, this is how it's going to look after 7-8 minutes of cooking. You see how it gets a little thicker and everything is just blending together beautifully. And here now we add the lemon zest. Lemon zest has powerful anti-cancer ingredients, limonene, and that is actually in lemon zest. So try to add it as much as possible to your recipe. Oops. I didn't edit it because I thought it was a cute moment when my lemon fell, and those are the fun things when cooking, things like that happen. Those are so much fun. Okay, so now I have closed my stove and the recipe is pretty much done. I'm adding organic arugula, and remember my stove is closed, and that's when you add the greens. You see how I'm adding at the top, and I'm just gonna let it wilt it slowly. That arugula is a bit bitter, so you want it to kind of cook well or wilt well, so that's why. And here I'm just adding my pasta and spinach. Again, make your pasta and add a whole bag of frozen spinach or fresh spinach at the end of the pasta when it's cooked. Okay, and that will just wilt it enough. And here is some lemon juice. now we are coming to the end, so we are just making it ready for serving. Some nutmeg. There my dogs are just waiting for the recipe. They keep visiting. And here is some nutritional yeast, which is amazing on this recipe, and some extra virgin organic olive oil. You see how it's all coming together? So this is it. This recipe came out better than I thought. It's aromatic. Remember to do the first step, browning the garlic till it's very crunchy and browned. And here we have it. Your pasta is completely ready. This is very hearty, extremely nutritious, very powerfully anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory. It is great to serve guests, great for kids, and I'm sure you will love it. Leave your comments and make sure to subscribe and share with everybody. Alright, thank you. Here's your next video. Watch it and enjoy it. Thank you.